Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are fine. So let's begin with our discussion on today's topic, that is modernism. Modernism is a period of literary and cultural history in the first decades of 20th century. It can be considered as a result of realistic tendencies of the late 19th century. New narrative techniques such as stream of consciousness, structural form, cubism under the influence of visual art and psychoanalysis comes under this era. It is characterized by a self-conscious break from traditional ways of poetry. It took place as a reaction to Romanticism. Modernism focused on developed personalities of human beings. Romanticism stress on emotional and subjective side of human nature. In the background, it includes struggle to change conventional approach. There is a need to discuss progress of society, a series of movements like scientific revolution, stress to discuss about critics as well. So the main focus in this era is focused on the themes regarding alienation and individualism. It is to avoid applying religious approach and to find new ways to improve thoughts after destruction of world wars. It also considered decay and decomposition of human being. It also focused on inner self-consciousness. While some general characteristics include strong break with traditional against established religion or religious and social views, there is no connection with the history, nothing is absolute truth, and all things are relative. While there is a celebration of inner strength as well, there is an exhibition of a perspective as well, and freedom of thoughts and rationalism. While the last one is that experimentation. So there are a certain kind of modernistic writers are there as well, and their approach include that war had a great deals of influence on writers and their approach to their writings as well. The Great War that occurred in the span of generation effectively shell shocked all of the Western civilization. These wars caused radical changes in the society and changed the 100 years of tradition. These changes produced many writers who were not only brilliant but gave the world many thoughts to ponder over. They developed narration which exposed the irrationality at the roots of supposedly rational world. Now the first writer is Samuel Beckett's son. Samuel Beckett. Samuel Beckett, he is an author, critic, and playwright. He is a winner of Nobel Prize for Literature in 1969. He wrote in both French and English and is perhaps best known for his plays. And he wrote the play An Attendant Godot, Waiting for Godot in 1952. While the second one is Virginia Woolf. She was an English writer who is considered one of the most important modernistic 20th century author and the pioneers in the use of stream of consciousness technique as a narrative device. Her works include The Voyage Out, Mrs. Dalloway to the Lighthouse. Mrs. Dalloway, she wrote it in 1925. It is about the life of Clarissa Dalloway, a fictional high society woman in post-World War I in England. It is Woolf's best-known novel as well. Now there are some modernistic features, poetic modernistic features as well. So modernistic poetry in English was started in the early years of 20th century with the emergence of imagism. It refers to the poetry written mainly in Europe and North America between 1890s and 1950. The modern age is also called the age of anxiety. In spite of material prosperity, poets were full of tension and anxieties, which are almost an inseparable feature of modern living. We find a lot of experimentation and innovation in modern poetry as well. So some of the features include the traditional poetic diction and regular meter have been discarded. Rhyme has gone. Free verse is the most usual mode of poetry today. Juxtaposition of ideas, unconventional use of metaphors, use of allusions and multiple association of words, visual image in distinct lines, intertextuality, and no regular rhyming scheme as well. So the first poet is T.S. Eliot. His full name is Thomas Stearns Eliot, was a British essayist, publisher, playwright, literary and social critic, and one of the 20th century's major poets. Eliot attracted widespread attention for his poem, The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, which was seen as the masterpiece of modernistic movement as well. Never compromising either with the public or indeed with the language itself, he followed his belief that poetry should aim at a representation of complexities of modern civilization in language and that such representation necessarily leads to difficult poetry. Despite this difficulty, his influence on modern poetic diction has been immense. His famous works include The Waste Land in 1922, which was all about the World War and its influence on human being. Now the second one is Sylvia Plath. and American poet, novelist, and short story writer. Plath is credited with advancing the genre of confessional poetry. And Plath used a powerful, intensely emotional autobiographies or autobiographical approach in her works as well. And that's all from my side. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you so much for watching.